Python Minidom/XML, how to set node text with Minidom API. I am currently trying to load an XML file and modify the text inside a pair of XML tags, like this. I currently have a helper function called getText that I use to get the text some text above. Now I need to modify the child nodes, I guess, inside the node to modify a node that has the XML snippet shown above, to change some text to other text. The common API patch getText function is shown below in the footnote. So my question is, that's how we get the text. How do I write a companion helper function called setText, node, new text? I'd prefer if it operated on the node level, and found its way down to the child nodes all on its own, and worked robustly. A previous question has an accepted answer that says, I'm not sure you can modify the DOM in place. Is that really true? Is Minidom so broken that it's effectively read-only? By way of footnote, to read text between and, I was surprised no direct simple single Minidom function exists, and that this small helper function is suggested in the Python XML tutorials. Elsewhere in Stack Overflow, I see this accepted answer from 2008. If that's how hard it is to read with Minidom, I'm not surprised to see that people say, just don't do it, when you ask how to write things that might modify the node structure of your XML document. Update. The answer below shows it's not as hard as I thought. Actually, Minidom is no more difficult to use than other DOM parsers. If you don't like it, you may want to consider complaining to the W3C.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking